At TrakMotive, we don't rebuild CV axles. We build them brand new. Every part, every time, and here's why that matters. Remanufactured axles reuse components pulled from worn-out cores. That means you can't always predict what you're getting. Variations in age, quality, or machining can lead to inconsistent performance. TrakMotive axles are 100% brand new, built in state-of-the-art ISO certified facilities, and using OE quality materials and tight tolerances to deliver reliable, repeatable performance. From solid steel precision machined shafts, to heat-treated cages and races, to neoprene boots and stainless clamps, every component is selected for long service life and OE level performance. There's no cleaning, no guessing, and no risk of used part surprises. Just a clean, ready to install product that techs can count on. And for you, no course to manage, no messy returns, just a high quality axle that works the first time and builds trust at your counter. TrakMotive CV Axles, always new, always ready, always reliable.